This is my tribute to the Frankfurt Kitchen. This is my salute to greater Shutterly Hotsky, to the perfect fusion of form and function, to the shortest route from worktop to larder to cupboard to cutlery drawer to worktop to me. That's the point.
Well, I think kitchens obviously are about cooking and eating, and we always wanted to take the exhibition beyond a show of really sleek objects.
It's rare to be able to see the exhibit and also have an actual tangible, edible experience with an exhibit. So it was just a great opportunity, and I think my girlfriend and I both really enjoy MoMA so much, but to see another dimension of it was just a wonderful opportunity for us.
We were so thrilled when we were given this gallery space so that you can move almost seamlessly from looking at these wonderful ideas and innovations around the kitchen. And then it takes us into another dimension of kitchen art, the culinary art of which Lynn is a great exponent.
With the menu, we felt like it would be food that someone would cook in that kitchen during that era for their family from the home cook. The sauerbraten is a traditional meal. The meat is the cheaper cuts of meat. It's not terribly expensive to make it, and the preparation is very hearty and very filling, so we felt like that would be a good preparation for tonight.
And I remember living in Germany one year and eating the black bread and the cabbage and the meat, and this is really a nice revisiting. Loving it.
This is a recipe that's called Good Enough to Eat, and it takes into consideration the human body, the skin, the hair, the eyelids, all of the external parts. I like the idea of continuing to work outside of the gallery space. Decorate yourself with the sprinkles.
The food was excellent. The performance was really strange and kind of delightful.
We're learning how to do all of these great napkin folding techniques. This is supposed to be the bishop's hat. This is the rose. But it's been wonderful. It's been really fun.
What I'm doing tonight is a little bit of history and napkin folding.
Food memories are some of my more intense ones.
My mom, that's her love language, so she would cook. And that's basically the way she would say she loved me.
So there was a dessert competition posted on the website, and we received very amazing recipes. So what we were looking for was recipes that reflected the time frame that is 1920s.
The winner of the dessert recipe was Andrea.
My great-great-grandmother's recipe, and it came over with my great-grandmother when she immigrated from Germany in 1923. And we've been making it in my family ever since. In fact, my parents, when I was little, actually planted a plum tree in our backyard.
Well, that's been quite a journey, and I hope you've all enjoyed it as much as I certainly have.
That's the point.